Hey guys, and welcome back to No Bland Makeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist. Today, however, I'm doing a football series because football season's coming up, and this is the only way that I can enjoy football season, because I paint my face. So we're gonna do that. So I've already started off this look by doing my eye makeup. If you guys want to see a video on that, I'll have it up eventually. But I'm gonna start off by drawing out the base shape. Basically outlining what is eventually going to be a bear, so that way I have one, I can basically fill in the orange and not have to worry about, you know, going around the darker colors later, but also because I want to make sure I have some kind of shape there to give me an idea of how much room I have to work with. There's a lot of detail going in this, that's why I made it pretty big. I really didn't want to mess this up. Just saying. So once you have that shape drawn out, all you're going to do is fill in the extra space. I decided to go with more of a metallic orange. You can do a regular matte orange. That is completely up to you. I wanted mine to be a little bit funkier, and I bought this paint, I bought it a while ago and I never got to use it, so I figured this would be a good excuse. And yes, you can use a larger brush. I was just being purely lazy because I didn't want to clean another one. And now for the fun part. So this was actually a kind of challenging design, if I'm gonna be honest. Not so much because of the part we just did, but because of this next part. So my biggest tip is to pick a section that you want to do on the outer edges, so either start by like the ears, or like what I did with the split in the middle of the shadow, or even like the jawline. Pick one area and work around the shape of the bear, and then worry about the stuff in the middle. That I feel like is the easiest way to do it, because I did try to jump around a little bit. What I originally wanted to do was to do the eyes first, and then realized, crap, I might not have enough room to do the rest of it. So let me do everything outside and then worry about the inside part. So that, I don't know, I feel like that would be the easiest way to get this kind of logo to work. Kind of did something similar with the Eagles logo, where I kind of drew the outline first and then colored everything in. This one obviously is a little bit backwards just because it's two colors. But I felt that that kind of worked the best for what I was trying to do. If you want to try to jump around and be my guest, please let me know how it goes in the comments. This might take a little bit longer because of the kind of shape or design it is, so definitely take your time. You don't want to get like halfway through and then realize that you ran out of room. Also keep your proportions in mind. Also expanded the eye on the bear a little bit because it was a little small on the one side. You can keep it if you want. But today's video is sponsored by yours truly. I have a merch store, so if you guys want to support the channel, get some cool stuff out of it. I'll have a lot more coming up closer to the Halloween season, just because that's what I do. But if you want to support the channel, the link is in the description. But that is the finished look. So if you guys are a Bears fan, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to see what comes out of my channel next. And if you're not a Bears fan, I will be doing other teams. So keep a lookout for that. I'll see you guys next time.